Time. Time is the one thing in this world that once it's gone, once you lose it, you will not get it back.
Yeah, what's going down?
That's what's hurting people generation after generation, is not having anything to leave for the next generation. That's crazy. That means black people, we only make up 13% of the population, but a whole quarter of the poverty population.
I'll show you how to leverage that into higher earnings.
So I'm gonna share my method for securing a job before you move to Atlanta.
Yeah.
Mamba mentality, baby.